Helicopter taking off here. Just got some patients, a patient in Amargosa Valley, Nevada. They was transported from the ambulance. See over there, I think, yeah, you can see the fire department over there in the corner. And the helicopter's taking off now. Closest hospital is 45 minutes away. And that's to Pahrump. And then the real emergency one is an hour and a half away. That baby there should make it there in 15 minutes. So that's why it's a lot faster to transport them by air. There we go. I'm going to be taking off here shortly. Fire department over there. Yeah, you can barely see him. See if I could get a zoom on this helicopter. Ooh, that's a nice zoom. See if I can see the fire department for you guys. Yeah, right there, see it? When it landed, you couldn't see it land because of all the dust. So we're probably gonna get a lot of dust. See that dust picking up now? There we go, see that? There we go. Up in the air. God bless them and they have a safe trip. And make it to the hospital on time. Up there already. Zooming away here, and that thing is gone. It'll make it to Pahrump in 5 minutes. Easy, no traffic. There you have it, coming to you live from Amargosa, Nevada.